Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with another synthetic wig review. Now, of course, I did get this wig off of Amazon from a store by the name of Have to Love. I think that's how you pronounce it. So make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave you the link to this wig in case you are interested. But they reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So this is what I am going to give you the tea on today. And I must say, for a synthetic wig, she is super duper soft. Y'all know when I get a synthetic wig and she's super soft and does not feel like synthetic, I absolutely love her right away. But if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap. Then of course, I will let you guys know some more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So quick disclaimer, okay? For some reason, sometimes when I start filming, I end up doing other stuff like washing. So I have some clothes in the dryer. So I do apologize if you guys hear some noise. That is the noise. But anywho, as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap. Now this is a lace front wig. Of course, I did cut the lace off for this video. And then this wig, it did come as a side part only. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this is from the Have to Love store on Amazon. This is their ombre brown body wave synthetic lace front wig. Now it retails for $38.99. Very affordable, under $50 for a synthetic wig. And like I said, she don't even feel like synthetic hair, okay? All right, so side part design, the lace is HD. Once again, adjustable strap, 3 combs or 3 clips, and it has an elastic net. So once again, this is a body wave synthetic wig. The length is 26 inches. And the lace area is 13 by 5 by 1. So it says natural parting, 100% hand-tied hair on HD lace, looks natural, pre-plucked baby hair, and beautiful waves. Again, it's a body wave wig. So I did say that it has baby hairs. I did notice some hairs in the front that was a little bit shorter that you can use. I don't know if you guys can see that you can use as baby hairs. But of course you don't have to. You can just comb them into the wig like I did. But she is pretty. I'm loving the ombre. The length is nice as well. I love me some 26 inches. The wave pattern is just so pretty. And she's just so soft. And y'all know, when hair is soft, I can't keep my hands out of it. Luckily, she's a body wave, so she won't tangle up as much because she's synthetic. But y'all know how the curly wigs get and you can't too much touch on them. But yeah, she's really soft. I'm loving her. She is cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how she's looking in the front. The side. The back. and the other side. So real cute, throw on and go, nice and soft, wavy, all that good stuff, okay? I like her, she's cute, okay? So I really do appreciate the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the texture, length, all of that stuff. Would you rock this wig? How does it look on me? Y'all know the usual. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.